Welcome back to the much-anticipated Part 2, where we pick up right where we left off in Part 1.
The following are some essential details about India's copyright protection for fashion designs. Copyright protection requirements. Fashion designs must adhere to the legal originality requirement to qualify for copyright protection in India. The design must be unique and not a replica of another design. The design must also be maintained in a physical form, such as a sketch, drawing, or digital file. In India, copyright protection must be registered with the Copyright Office to be granted. How long copyright protection lasts? In India, copyright protection for fashion designs typically lasts the creator's lifetime plus 70 years. This implies that for the duration of their life and 70 years following their passing, the design's author has the sole right to use, copy, and distribute the work. Indian Copyright Act. The principal piece of law governing copyright protection in India is the Copyright Act of 1957. The Act protects original works of authorship, such as literary, dramatic, musical, and creative creations, including fashion designs. The statute also outlines the registration process for copyright and allows for copyright registration. An application must be presented to the Copyright Office with the required expenditure and a copy of the design to document a design. After processing the application, the Copyright Office issues a certificate of registration as proof of copyright ownership. Copyright infringement. Any unauthorized reproduction, diffusion, or sale of a design protected by copyright is an infringement. Copyright infringement is a crime in India that carries a jail sentence and monetary penalties. To defend their designs and seek restitution, fashion designers can file lawsuits against infringers. Conclusion. An essential kind of intellectual property protection offered to Indian fashion designers is copyright protection. Designers may protect their original creations and stop others from reusing or copying them by registering their designs with the Copyright Office. The Copyright Act lays forth the registration, enforcement process, and legal basis for copyright protection. You have seen this part about copyright protection in fashion law, limits, requirements, acts, and infringement. In the upcoming video, you will be seeing about fashion law design, its protection, limits, and infringement. Stay updated on our channel to enrich your knowledge in law and grow more.